Hi, today I am unboxing and reviewing a few of the gel polishes and one regular nail polish that I ordered from Kiara Sky's website. Keep in mind that the stripes that you see on each of the gel polishes are indicative of the exact color that you will get in the bottle. Rose Bonbon is described as a rose pink mauve. Road Trip is described as a dusty purple, and I would have to agree with this description. I noticed that some of the gel polishes say that you can use it without a top coat, but it doesn't really work as effectively without it. I would recommend that you get the top coat. I think that Bear With Me is like a perfect nude for my skin tone. I really loved this color, and I also love the fact that they put the Kiara Sky imprint on top of the gel polish bottles. I like that a lot. It stands out against my other polishes, and I appreciate the packing peanuts inside my package to prevent any kind of damage during transport. I will be using Posh Escape in today's video. It's an eggplant color, and I think it looks really nice against my skin tone. And then Lunar or Later is another nude that I got. I have this currently on my toes, and I've gotten tons of compliments on this color already. I began by removing my cuticles with the Melody Susie E-file, and then I just got directly into the nails after washing my hands and removing any of that debris that was left over from buffing away the cuticle. Keep in mind that I am a beginner at gel polish, and I got these because of quarantine. I am afraid of going to the nail salon. I've only been once during the whole quarantine period when it was deemed okay to go out and interact with people on a certain level as long as you social distance, but I am still afraid of doing even that. So from now on, I will be doing my gel polish at home, and I just feel a lot better when my hands look nice, and I love changing the colors according to the season, and I think that Posh Escape is perfect for fall. Actually, I was looking for a pumpkin shade, something of that nature, but I couldn't really decide which one I wanted to do, so I think that I will order a few more colors later on in November. I will say that I think that the gel polishes do last quite a while on your nails, and that it is durable and that you can wash dishes and not experience chipping or tearing or any kind of odd discoloration on your nail. However, I will point out that if you do frequently take bubble baths, then you might experience peeling. I don't know why that is. I know that these gel polishes say that they are soak off, and I am not sure if by soak off they mean soak off with water or soak off with acetone. So please comment in the down below and let me know exactly what that means. Like I said, I am a beginner, so I'm not sure about all the details involved. Another thing I want to add is that these gel polishes are not accompanied by a strong smell. I know that happens often with polish. As soon as you open it, everyone in the house knows that you're doing your nails. But with these, I'm doing them myself and I can't really smell it at all, which I appreciate. I learned about Kiara Sky from watching a few YouTube videos, and they also use it in my salon. I go to a pretty, I would say, high end salon, and they use these as well as other, you know, luxury products, and I really like the way it looks. I love how shiny it is. So, yeah, keep that in mind. Some colors will require more layers than others. This one was okay with 2 coats, but I wanted it to be very opaque, so I decided to go in with 3 coats instead of leaving it at 2. Now, if you want a lighter purple, then I would say 2 coats is just alright. If you're wondering why I'm wiping the brush on the napkin, it's because after a while using the top coat on the gel polish, it kind of has, there's a twinge of color on the edge of the brush. I don't know if you can see that, so I just wanted to get rid of it so it doesn't stain